The Prep Stand Pro is a professional-grade folding repair stand featuring an innovative integrated digital weight scale. Constructed of durable anodized aluminum tubing, the wide tripod base provides a stable platform for serious repair work. The heavy-duty clamping head rotates 360 degrees and features soft rubber jaws designed to secure a bike from any frame tube. Working height is easily adjusted with a precision QR lever. An integrated digital scale weighs small parts, up to complete bikes weighing 250 kilograms or 55 pounds. Optional equipment includes the scale upgrade kit, featuring a hook to weigh complete wheels and a small tray for weighing groups of smaller parts. An optional tool tray keeps tools, lubes, and small parts organized. The optional handlebar stabilizer secures the front wheel when working on the bike's front end.
Hey everyone, as a cycling enthusiast, regular maintenance comes with the job. Unfortunately, not all of us have a great assistant to help us get the job done. However, with the Somix Bike Repair Stand, which is simple in structure, light, easy to carry, stable, and sturdy, you can say goodbye to all of the inconveniences in the bicycle repair process. First up, open the legs on the stand. Then adjust the height. When adjusting the height, don't go past the marked position on the tube. The head is welded to the frame, giving it a firm and strong hold. When installing, ensure the head fully reaches the marked position. The clamp can be rotated 360 degrees, giving you plenty of options. Now, let's go ahead and see how it works with an actual bicycle. The front wheel rod will help you keep your wheel in place while you perform maintenance on the rest of your bike. A magnetic tool tray will help you keep track of tools and small parts so they don't easily get lost. When you're all finished, go ahead and remove the bicycle from the maintenance rack. Reduce the height all the way down to the bottom and fold the legs up. It's perfect for storage or taking it on the go.
The 2-Up Tune-Up Stand is a freestanding, multi-bike storage system that doubles as a light-duty repair stand. Constructed of anodized aluminum tubing, its wide tripod base provides a stable platform, while the center pole extends to almost 7 feet high. Hook mounts for 2 bikes are included, and each adjusts up to 30 degrees to fit standard or sloping frame tubes. Each mount can slide up or down to accommodate large and small bikes. A handlebar stabilizer is included to transform the lower hook mount into a light-duty repair stand for simple bike maintenance. Additional upper and lower bike hook mounts can be purchased to allow up to 4 bikes to be stored on the 2-Up Tune-Up.
Hey, it's Chris. I hope you're well. In this video, I'm happy to present to you Union's auto-adjustable Bi-Gator Plus repair stand. Okay, let's take a look at it. Union's 1693A Bi-Gator Plus is a foldable, auto-adjustable bike stand with a tool tray. Without the tool tray, the stand only weighs 5.7 kilograms, although it is durable, rigid, and strong, as it is fully made from metal and aluminum parts. The auto-adjustable clamp is fitted with a heavy-duty spring. It is compatible with tubes from 24mm to 40mm in diameter. To use the clamp, simply press on it to close it and pull on it to open it. The clamp can be rotated a full revolution to best fit your needs. It can even be removed from the bike stand for better storage or to be replaced with another one of Union's bike clamp. To prevent damages to bikes, the clamp's jaws are made from rubber and can easily be replaced when worn down. For comfort and durability, the auto-adjustable clamp is fitted with an ergonomic, heavy-duty 2-component handle. The Bi-Gator Plus stand includes a tool tray. The tool tray allows you to have easy and efficient access to the tools you need the most. The bike stand can be adjusted from 1 meter high to 1.5 meters high. Compulsory to make a good job, space efficient and durable. That's the kinds of tools I love. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you next time.